Brrr! Wrld TV fully active, and you know, a coloring book boss. I mean, I represent for a new movie. A matter of fact, welcome back to Wrld TV. And see a new movie in name Unstable Babymother. You have some relationship in a life, bro. You have a woman and a man, a couple in a relationship. And once the relationship mash up, maybe the female or the male, them can't bounce back. So them start do some crazy thing and carry down their life, carry down their future. You know, and it kind of fed up them daughter or them son. So when you talk about the movie, just watch a movie when name Unstable Babymother and tell me what you like. A matter of fact, you may talk. Tell a friend to make a next friend. Tell a friend for watch a movie. Big up the people who support Wrld TV from a long time. I see new people who forward on the ship, on the board, on the plane. Yo, welcome and just thank you for your support. Wrld TV. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. More big up Sean, Chelsea, Alia, Tia, Puppy than the General, me myself coloring book, Tibi, David, and the whole works. The people who push out the movie them for me to watch it. A matter of fact, local and international, big up your whole life fans them. Remember, brrr, fully active, Wrld TV, if not Wrld TV, a coloring book TV, Unstable Babymother.
Babe, I feel no whole heap of pain, man. I'm kind of glad that they left from the yard and come sleep with me last night and help me clean up a cup them or something.
Yes, I know, so if you go easy on your road, look how we there good, you left gone on road, go mash up yourself. All of my medication where you have to go take and sitting, and dressing and sitting. Look on your hand.
Boy, you know I'm going to be like your daughter called me last night and just a check up on me. So all after one night time she called me, you know, and I asked if you're good. You're good. And I just like how your daughter just keep her head high and I focus on her school thing, her college thing. I just like that. Hope she continue shining right way. I rate her that time.
You know. You be fair too. And I love her and I want the best for her. I want to go down where I do and go over here because she alone over there. She never did expect me to stay out last night, you know.
Now watch me, I watch your phone, you know. But when I go in your bathroom this morning to go bed, after you make breakfast and everything, I see one number call, but I like it save as Phoebe, something like that. I want him Phoebe.
Oh, you don't know, you know. Probably I just somebody that call my phone. You don't know, I can't. Somebody does a call like one of my regular friends. When the number come up in my phone after somebody will try to reach out to me. I don't know.
Babe, I'm just glad how you deal with me. I deal with me good though. Wake up, give me breakfast in bed. Sorry, say you have to go over. I swear.
You have to go over because she alone over there. You have to go over, do what I have to do. See me. Every time I come, I help her tie up back the place also.
Boy, babes, I'm more than grateful. So if you have to go now, I understand because you know you have to represent for your daughter. And your daughter come first.
Yeah.
But, babe, just so I know, say the body there, I mean, alone have access to it. I don't want no boy have no access to it because I crash and you over here and I deal with me and make sure I'm comfortable. I love that.
I won't be, you don't have to worry about nothing. That good. You don't have to worry about nothing. Believe.
Alright, baby.
I'm going to rush to go back and go back and do what I do.
Yo, bro. Yeah, man, you know, say yesterday, though, you would me tell us, say, me now a little incident. Yeah, man, give me a check, man. Respect, bro. Alright.
Everything alright?
Yeah, man, now my virgin tell me saying just a year what go on with me.
Oh, well, even more you do for me. Remember, say you have to take your medication, them, and you rest a breakfast in the kitchen.
Alright, baby, and thanks again here.
No, you stay over here hungry. Get
I
up
love you.
No, you can't walk good, but take time and get something to eat. Yeah?
Alright, baby,
yeah, rush
later.
over because you know, so me I go do what I do.
Big up my stepdaughter for me.
Yeah, later when me come. Yeah?
Alright, babe.
Later. Mwah.
Take care of your body, you know. Man,
I was
alone fit have the
supposed
body
to.
there. The body there, the body there. Something about the body there. Later.
Shit. Puppy dance Tibby did call me. Tibby did call me for true. I wonder what me I go tell him say I know. Lord God.
No, mommy God. Look what like human God. And call me say he soon come. And I know he can't come. And he no normally sleep out so long. Me no know if mommy a sleep out every morning me wake up and see me man.
Chelsea! Chelsea! Chelsea!
Hello? Who is
Good
this?
morning. Chelsea there.
No, my mother not there. Who you asking my mother?
Oh, I'm in TV.
Me no know what you say.
Me your mother, boyfriend.
Huh? Oh, are you name Tibby? Your name ring a bell. Anyways, my mother don't there here.
You not see her from there.
No, she not there. She not sleep here. She not there.
And you not here, she not call you, you not call her.
The last time I talked to her, she did say she soon come. So I guess she alright, but she probably there somewhere down on the road.
I'm concerned about your mother, you know, I love her, you know.
But me concerned about her too, but me have some questions for you now, Mr. Tibby. Right?
Yeah.
How long now you have a mother in a relationship?
Boy, tell you the truth now, but you know, say about 1 year and had no friend, him and the new man left. About one year and had, still counting.
Okay. So first she and her ex left till now, are you and her?
Yeah?
Okay. So let me level this. Are you are the new man, Tibby now?
TB, right. One and only. Me are the new man. No ex. What me say? No ex. One and only.
Alright. Let me tell you, I don't know about that ex something the way I talk about him. But you see, my father and my mother left long time. So I could my father a place in a ex position. So listen on Mr. Tibby, I don't know you and you don't know me. You and my mother have an associate, you and I have an associate. She's not here, so here me I go beg you. Please, Tibby, in a very respectful way, go on.
So, you good?
Me good man, me
You sure you're good?
Yeah man, me I do little cleaning and me don't want it just touch you.
If your mother forward, tell her say me did that.
Eh, eh.
Me come check for you.
Me will deliver a message.
Me love your mother, you know, I care for her, you know.
Yeah man,
Just
yeah
make
man.
sure
Me
you're
love her
good, you know.
too. Yeah man, we good man. Anyways,
Yo,
later, cause me no know.
your mother is the best woman me ever did
Yeah
with, you know.
man, I best woman for me too.
Yeah, me love your mother.
Yeah man, later.
Oh, sir. That little girl a rank like her mother, you see. I wonder if she a cover up things for her mother. No, sir. This a girl a just close door in my face.
Not even know you from Adams. Oh, him gone. Him better gone. You see, all the one mommy she live some life for me not like, you know, bro. Look there. Me I hear about this TV every time I go down the road. Me I hear say, mommy whore. My mother whore. Every day I see Chelsea with a different man. No, from she and daddy left, she just make all sort of people, all sort of cockroach, crasmite depend on her name. And nothing hot, you gonna hear say, and Sean mother, every time we go down the road in our community, everybody have if you say, Sean mother, Chelsea, who are every minute a different man. What kind of example you set for me, brother? Yeah, one thing me I tell her, say, you know, until she come in and me, I make she know when me and daddy talk, say what the year. Because daddy not like it either to daddy uncomfortable with it. He man fed up, he man say from you and him left man. You know, no decency. My style is no good style. Not even though she and daddy break up. Daddy still feel a way about it, not because you're a big woman. Live a little peaceful life, man. You're growing girl pitney. I like them a style, yeah. And I can't wait for she to come.
Me don't know where this a girl a go tell me say. More hear excuse or hear lies where this a girl. Yo, the woman nowadays, you know, they wicked and they lie. They wicked.
Shit.
Morning, Chelsea. Where I come from?
Good morning, Tibby.
My morning not good enough. Your morning supposed to
When
good
you
enough.
come down your road, a cuss and a go and suffer like you're idiots.
You don't see me I call you.
Yeah, me see you call me.
How you not answer?
What?
Me I come from where yard. You know over there. Me go up in your daughter yard. You know over there. When you come with all bag.
Tibby, When my friend no feel well, I go over there. Me I help her and end up stay over there. Me just go on my yard now. And you call me phone and not get me. Why you gone over my yard?
But me never know say I want nurse me there with.
Yes, be a nurse sometime. But you go over my yard and look for me to be. You not go over my yard when me not over there. When you see me, you talk to me. No go over my yard. If you call me phone and not get me, why you go over my yard? My daughter live over there.
Me have all rights to go over your yard. As a matter of fact, who are you, man?
You.
So, me not have all rights to go your yard if me and your man. Where you come from?
I tell you already where I come from. I tell you so when my girlfriend sick and I did over there. I end up stay over there for the night. Excuse me. Hello.
Is there reach over yet?
No, I'm not reach over yet. When I reach over, I call you.
Alright.
See me tell you, she a call before I know if me reach my yard. Because over there I come from.
You know me jealous and me love you. You can't do them something to be. Me have to make sure say, no want nothing there, bro.
No, do me brother. You know,
Yeah,
over
you. As she call for real.
Yes, she don't feel well. I'm go over there and end up
Just
stay
hope she
over
get
there.
better soon, you know. Me love, but next time when I leave the yard, you go know, you call me and make me know, say, call me and say, B, me I go deal with this or me I go there, so me not have to fret.
Alright, me will do that next time.
Yo, B, you know me love you, you know. Where you go?
Me I go over my yard. You say me yard me I go. No, over there I come from.
B, hold on. How you smell so?
How me smell today?
How you smell so, B?
How me smell? What me smell like? Me don't know how me smell. Me have sick people, me I take care of. Me no bed from morning, you know.
I have one different scent. I never that the scent
Well,
that you did left around me with.
Don't know me yard me I come from to be a people place. Me I go over my yard go bed.
But me not like how you smell, B.
Babe, just relax now. Maybe a medication them when me have in a place I use for the people them.
B, medication smell so.
Me no know. Me must say no me yard me I come from a people yard. Suppose that's why people them also me sleep smell TB. What wrong with you? You're so insecure, brother.
B, you know me love you and
Calm down your nerves, man. Calm see.
me love you, you know, B.
Yeah, me know.
Make sure medication that, you know, me a smell pan, you know.
Me say me I go over me I go bed. That me tell you say me want to go bed. Me no bed for me get up in the people them place. Me I should fi come on my yard from man.
So, what me do?
You want to come check me or you want to come down to your yard?
Go and go bed and come check me.
Alright, me will do that.
Because I don't like how medication they smell.
Alright.
Why? Why medication can smell so? How medication fi smell like bedroom wise? No, sir. I first me ever smell what medication so. And it stink a bedroom. No, sir.
Oh God. Finally reach my digging yard. Morning, Sean.
Morning, Mummy. Mummy, before you go no further, come, me have a bone to pick at you.
What happened?
Mommy, what you mean by you sleep out?
What you mean when me mean
Mommy,
by
you
the
see
sleep
what
out?
going in a community. Mommy, you see what going in a community. Be a grape, be a rub, be a bare things, mommy. Speechless things that can't be spoken about because we don't know. And you left me when you have to sleep, mommy.
So hold on. Should me never tell us me I go somewhere?
Yeah, but
I don't like you don't know me never you don't know me did them. Me call you and tell you.
Yeah, but you the fact that you remember that all these years and you choose to sleep out now in a
It just
2026.
happened. There's a first
So
time for
okay,
everything.
mommy. Question: if you did come in here and see window they leak out and the door they kick off and me disappear, it just happened.
Sean, you would call me, because you know me there.
So
me
what
call
if
you and tell you when me there.
alright, long story short now. Okay. So mommy, on a big woman level, mother to daughter, you come from over puppy than your door. Over puppy than asleep.
Yes.
Fully.
Yes.
Alright. Puppy than your only boyfriend.
Yes.
Alright.
Puppy than my man.
In him, you know. Alright. So you don't have no sneaky link, no other body. Just puppy than.
Puppy than my man, yes, that me just
And you
say.
can't swear, mommy.
Puppy than my man, that me
And you
just say
can't swear
Sean.
to me.
Sean, puppy than my man.
Puppy than your man. Well, the next man Tibi come over here this morning.
Tibia no my man, Tibia my friend.
Alright, Tibi your friend. So, like how mommy, respectfully, like how Tibi are your friend, we should have tell Tibi say you over puppy than your man, yeah then.
Little girl, me no want you go on like you want size up and give me attitude in them place, you know. Like you want to tell me what to do, you know. If me tell you say, puppy than me man, over there me make you know. Me reach over this morning, me call you, make you know. Right? And if Tibi come at me, I'd tell him say me not there. Just tell him say me down there. And then if you don't know conversation with him, boy, you should I tell him about me over no puppy than yard. You don't need to go so far. Just tell him man say me not there. I'm a friend.
Mommy.
And me tell you that already.
Alright, Tibi, your friend. Yes, you respectful, you know. Respect you because you're my mother. Despite of the situation you're in. Mommy, you know, so I'm tired.
Tired of what?
Mommy, me tired. You know why me tired? Me can't walk in peace. Mommy, not here. Chelsea from up the road, war. And I'm my mother. I know say I'm mother. Me have to hear that in me. So, mommy, small. Me I tell you the truth, you know. Come like people me tell you the truth, you know. Cause look here now, no. You sleep over puppy than mommy. Okay, that's your boyfriend. But why you deny Tibi and Tibi come here and tell me say him are the one and only. And I go on and you say your friend, mommy. Mommy, right now, mommy, you not set no example for me if you say me I one girl pitney you have. What you have all kind of money, you have different man. Mommy, that not no life you live. You left that to struggle you as a mother.
And that make him out say, yes, me a big woman and me have a right to decide what me want to do for my own. Furthermore, your father put me in a position where me in.
Everything you put pan daddy. Every single thing you put pan daddy. I nothing had to. Look how long your man left. Look how long your daddy left. And everything in our presence of him and in past tense.
Hey, present tense and past tense to learn at school. Look here, me have my own big woman in my place. I think me feel comfortable to do. And that me a do in my own place. Me know you come go on like you want to tell me what to do in this.
Mommy just fix certain things.
Come now you ain't go talk about everything me blame your father. And your father make me stay like how me stay. Me dey put me hand and soul in him. And him take his fling under one bus out the road. So why if me feel like do the same thing when him used to do me? What happened with that? I want me live, me learn. Nonsense.
But my daughter no call me for a morning.
Daddy.
Sean, what happened?
Nothing.
What am you no call me for a morning? I just say no call me for a morning. What am you?
Daddy, right now I'm stressed out.
I want you now.
Daddy, mommy leave it here stress me.
Come, sit down. Go on more. What am you your mother again?
Daddy, mommy I live some life, not even you can't go study. Daddy, you see from the last time me talk?
No tell me so the same thing with your mother.
It I get from worse to ugly, from worse to bad. Mommy, daddy, mommy lifestyle stinky.
Oi, remember your mother you talk about. Regardless what kind of life he might live. When you talk about your mother, talk with respect.
I'll show you why I say that as your daughter or as your baby mother. I know say your baby mother, you know. You know, say your baby mother and you respect her. Fine. But daddy, you know, say mommy sleep out and left me one in the house.
Then Sean, regardless, your mother free to sleep out in my one big woman, my child.
Okay. And meanwhile, she sleep out, my next man come and ask her.
So what you say, my child? Hold on there.
Alright, I'm
no,
break it down.
hold on. Just one question, please. So what you tell me, say, your mother, my baby mother, sleep out, and you sleep when you sleep out, and next man come a yard and ask your mother. Alright, you want me ask my daughter, me and you talk about this already. Me now go tell you say the whole of the lifestyle where your mother live, like me feel good about it. But whether me feel good about it, yes or no, she are one big woman. But by an idea, I'm a baby mother.
Yeah,
and by an idea, me baby mother and I your mother, right? So me not go feel good about it. But by an idea, I feel life. But come to you now, me know you're not go feel good about it because your mother.
But daddy, you're not just my mother. What kind of example you set for me? Where ya? Me nah say me I go follow her or me I use she as a bypass to do certain things. But what kind of example you set as a man? You not set no example.
My child, me understand what you're saying. You are trying to say if you live them a life that she wanna feel good.
No.
And me wanna feel good.
No, daddy.
So you are trying to make me
And
know
daddy,
so as your mother she will set a better
and
example
daddy,
for
as
you.
a next thing too. When me not like none at all. Mommy put everything for you. Everything.
What you mean your mother put everything for me?
Everything. Your father this, and your father that, and your father. So me have to tell her, I say, Mommy, respectfully, you need to stop put things for daddy. Because daddy not nothing to do with you and you leave it here.
Let me tell you something, man.
Even if you hurt her, she's supposed to elevate daddy, not deviate, not deviate.
Let me tell you something, my daughter. Let me tell you something. Me and mother left long time. And to be honest, me and him left, me like the way how me and him grow you. But the point where me I say, me no want if him gone to a man yard, one next man I will come there, because me no want no man pass them place with you. I just so me I go intervene.
And daddy, you know what I think? See boy, I look in her house. Like you know, sound like
Alright, me I go say something to you now. Me know say the community which part to no live. Appear violence and problem are going over there.
And she sleep
So you
out
say
like
anytime just me no, if me see her, me no really want to talk to her like me and have a business or in our relationship same. But if me see her, me just talk to her
daddy,
for
talk
one.
to her.
Because I will tell you the truth. How many times I go down on the road and hear people are talking, you know? Or your mother hold up a man and something, you know? And you don't know when he change and gone in your way there, you know? You see me? Your mother never used to stay so. So oh, every time your mother talk since me and him left. And me make him stay so.
Daddy, right now, me a question if why me loud that alone.
Listen to me, I say, man. Only thing I want. No care what your mother do. No care what kind of argument you need, me just don't pass your place with your mother. Me understand, say you vex. Say the life where I live, you don't Daddy, appreciate the life where I live.
I pass my place now, but me have to tell her the truth. Because somebody have to tell her the truth. And she will continue to do it until feel comfortable.
So I vex and walk off or you in an argument and something?
Tell him the truth and me walk off.
But how much time you talking? My first I talking about it?
Daddy, he say, I one man he have. So when me get up every day, I talk to him about. Me I hear, but then me see it for myself.
Alright, you what me say, man? Me just don't want a little energy with you and your mother. You know, make you no focus. Come on, you focus. Come on, you come to something in a life.
Alright, daddy, then talk to her because I don't like it.
Me no really want to talk to your mother because listen to me I say now, as me say, me and your mother left. She are one big woman, she live her life and me I live her life. But as a baby mother to a baby father for you, me just talk to her just the one time. You understand? Because me no want she say me I go in her business. Right. And by any idea if she need to see so, her business.
Alright.
But as a baby mother to a baby father, when me see her, me just talk to her.
Alright then, me I go down the road.
Where you go down the road?
Me I go buy something for go over. Okay.
So your mother over there? Alright. Me I go over there go talk to her. But as me say, I just because of you know, because this is not my business, you know.
Yeah,
this is not my business. Just to me say,
me no say
it hurt you.
Tell her say it affect me, man.
Alright. So me I she alone over there, right?
Yeah.
Alright, me I go over there and talk to her. When you come out, just jump at your grill and just hurry up on your road and just be careful, please, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, my father.
Alright, go on, my child. Me I go lock a door, yeah. Chelsea!
Who that? How are you?
Yeah, what go on? Can't come in?
Yeah, of course I can come in and you build it. Until you come here and me come out. The daughter must come over there and give you some story. That you always come about.
Morning again.
Morning.
You can't sit down?
Sit down.
Can't sit down on your bed?
Move me bag and sit down.
No, you know what? I'd rather you sit down on your bed than I sit down in the settee, please.
What kind of difference you make?
Ah, boy.
Where you come about now?
You want me to say now? I don't know if it start, but I'm going to start with our daughter.
Yeah.
Your daughter, my daughter.
About our daughter?
Alright. Me know someone one time, you know. Because you know your daughter just like how me know my daughter, our daughter. So you know, say if me and her have a problem, you are the only person you can talk to. If you and him have a problem, me are the only person you can talk with. So I know like, whatever you and him in a, he might come tell me and I bring her business. You see me? So, me know say you and him have a local argument regardless who wrong or who right. But by an idea, I just come to find out, because I think at the third time I come over here, on a local topic, why him have. So I just come to find out what the really deepest situation will make it hurt him so. Because basically him say I'm over here and you come in this morning, you sleep out last night. Wish you sleep out as well. Me tell him, yeah, you want big woman, you're free to sleep out. But the problem what hurt him now, when him come tell me now, him say you sleep out and left him alone over here and the whole thing are going on the community activity, shooting, crime, violence, grape and all of them things there.
Yeah.
So you never take so long for forwarding.
Yes.
So me I tell her say she a big woman now, she have to get used to certain things where she could have come over my yard. So when me I say as a baby father now, if me may, if you know you go sleep out tonight, say Monday night, no disrespect, you can't just look on your daughter and say, my daughter, me now come in tonight and if you want to go over your father or something, you know, we're no problem now for in there.
Hold on. She never tell us that me call her and tell her that me now go get to come home.
No, she never tell me that.
Okay.
Him tell me say, him call your boyfriend phone. You get what me I say? But personal, him never call you and you never call him. But the point I know where really dig him and hurt him, he say, Daddy, no disrespect. You know, I'm passing place with mommy and you know passing place with mommy. What you must say? You know, feel good when you go down in the street, in a community, and hear people are chat or mother, or your mother have more one body count and your mother have more 1 man and 2 man and 3 man. Because I'm say you sleep out with your boyfriend, and regardless, him always hear the people must say, you talk to someone named Phoebe or whatever. And by the end of the day, the morning you know, before you come in, he must say, the man come over here and ask you. Because I'm saying he was so scared. He hear this person call mommy. So when he come out, the man introduce himself, saying him Phoebe or something like that, saying ask you.
Yeah,
So him say him question the person and ask him who is him. He say the person say, are your boyfriend? You understand? So when he must say you're going to your boyfriend, you're the next boyfriend come over here and ask you. So he must say him don't like how mommy are living life. All the way you want big man, the only reason why I'm over here to talk to you as my baby mother are just because it affects she, my daughter, your daughter. So I just come to you as a baby mother to a baby father and see if you can just adjust the situation where you and your daughter now have to meet mouth. Because if that is true, that is not a good example you set for your daughter. If that is true. So that's the reason why I'm over here.
So how that bother you so much that you take it upon yourself to come over here because you're not talking with me, but what me decide for doing in my life?
Well, if you tell you the truth, you sleep out, and if you have more one body count, if that no bother me now, but you know what bother me now? It a bother your daughter, it a bother my daughter.
Okay.
So you see, if you and a man over there so fight, or you got a court over there so, and it a bother my daughter, by the end of the day, it a bother me.
Okay.
So when you do things, no disrespect, not on my behalf, but on our daughter behalf, you have to remember say you have somebody in the middle. Just like if me I do something, me have to remember say me have somebody in the middle. You know the person in the middle? Your daughter, my daughter. So that's what bother me. My daughter, it bother my daughter, so it bother me.
Oh, it never bother you when you do what you do. What that change me?
You know, so as I talk about that, my baby mother,
My baby father.
she say, every time you and him have this argument about the lifestyle where you live, in the street, you are say, me are the problem, or me make you live them life. No disrespect, everybody have them ups and downs in a relationship. Me and you have ups and downs.
Yes, we were had one relation.
Yeah, and we get
but
over
the ship
that.
was somewhere else on the sea sailing.
Yeah, but by an idea, me you left all along and now we are not in a relationship anymore. The only relationship we have, we not care if me drop out tomorrow or you drop out, that relationship always going to stand up. Baby mother and baby father, with daughter.
Every time we do something and Sean complain to you, you ever come over here and ask me, say, what bother me? Or what affect me? Why me do what me do?
To be honest, me I tell you honest truth. It don't make no sense me I will question you about your lifestyle.
Okay.
The reason why me I talk to you about that is with daughter, not your relationship. And your relationship where we are talk about it affect your daughter. If me come over here and you say you have 10 man, and me don't have a daughter inside, in the middle, You could have thrown some piss or some water in my face because I have no reason to come over here.
Okay.
But we have a daughter and it's a bad man in contact with your father. Suppose I do something. Suppose me was violent where police are look for me. And it's a bad your daughter. You don't feel like you could have contact to me as a baby mother and baby father? No, tell me the truth now. If you contact to me and me run you, how you going to look for me? That means I don't care about my child. So me ask you, not disrespect, you don't care about your child?
Of course I care about my child. I don't care about you.
I always have care about you because you're my baby mother. Because you give me a you. But the point to me I say if you care about your child, just slow down your roll. Settle down. Drink one beer. And when the beer done, refill the same beer and drink it back and you can't. What kind of example I said for your daughter, my baby mother?
You finish? You done talk?
Me done talk.
Okay, because I feel like mash up fear dolly house now. When you did do the things them, you there care about me? You there think about me? You there set example for me? You there set example for we youth? When you're done with me and left me and break me out and gone left me? You not think you ain't go grow up and you didn't understand any time, but you understand what me I do now because you couldn't understand what you did do because she was just a toddler. So only what me I do in a fear surrounding right now, she see what affect she. What you do at the past, so you can't affect she, but it affect me. So me know when you come in and me house come tell me what to do, me want to go man, me decide what me want to do, when me want to do it, how me want to do it, and who me want to do it with.
Let me ask you a question before me leave out of your place.
Yes, hurry up.
What you want to do? A revenge you take because of what me do to you?
Me don't know what me I do, but me I do what me I do.
No, yeah, you know what you do. Me don't know. Me only hear. And whether I go so or not, that's your business. But me just ask you. If you know what you do and what you do are true to what you do, a revenge you take for me?
Me don't need to answer no question.
Alright, okay. So if a revenge you take for me, remember, you know, me left couple here well, you know. So if a revenge you take for me, remember say your revenge where you take it to hurt you. But you can't look in the mirror and say it hurt you. Not yet. But it hurt you. And it affect your daughter. It not affect me. It affect you and your daughter.
Good.
I mean, know you love your daughter. I mean, know you care for your daughter. But if you really love and care for your daughter, same way, today, tomorrow, and next year, you see anything you do, turn it down. Turn it down. Because I bet you and when you know, say if your daughter start doing what you do, you're not going to feel good. When you hear people talk about him body count them how much money you have, you're not going to feel good. For the amount of money with me and you waste and send her to school. So I just tell her as a baby mother to a baby father, please, see if you can fix your life, not for yourself or for me, but for your daughter.
What
only that.
Where you're going to tell me what to do. Come out. I'm going here. I don't live over here. I left long time as God until you left long time.
You know,
that was the past, this is the future.
You know, I really see a problem now when my daughter got through. You understand?
You see it late.
But as I say, if you really care about your daughter, just try to change, because it's not too late.
You want to come over here and counsel me. You can't give me no parental advice. You can't want to sit with me, I got you, and you want to sit where you do me. And now you can't tell me nonsense of my ears. Go along your yard, yeah, man, and leave me alone. And me come out.
Boss, yeah, who you? Who you?
My name coloring book, who you?
Me a Chelsea man.
Oh! Are you name Puppy Dan?
Who name Puppy Dan?
Chelsea man.
No, a Tibby, which is me, the man for the yard, a Chelsea man. Tibby.
Oh, Phoebe.
Who name Phoebe?
Oh, Tibby.
Yes, Tibby.
Oh,
me.
the man of the yard.
Me are the man of the yard.
Well, a Chelsea baby father. Just go check my baby mother towards me out. Big up yourself, man of the yard.
Yeah, the two are enough for me to over here so still, you know.
Big up yourself, man.
I'm a man of the yard. When I want to talk to her, you just call her front of the gate.
Alright, my daddy. Man of the yard. Tibby or Puppy Dan. Right now, I don't know. Hold on, not confuse me.
Chelsea.
Hello. I want to you.
What your baby father do over
You
here?
just walk in the house, so you don't even call me. Little son, you come on me if you call me.
How me
You just
supposed
walk and tap in my house, so.
How me supposed to call her when me here then? No me here, man.
You have to call me and tell me say you come over here.
How me call me and tell me say me a come on yard?
You're supposed to. You just walk and tap up in my house. My daughter live here, you know. Suppose she did do something in my room.
Me sorry about that. But That's another point right now. What your baby father I do over here?
Where me know my baby father do over here? I'm a child father, I have a right to come check pan youth if you want.
But me not like how that look. Him one, you alone over here and him come in just pull up so. Where
So
your
I
daughter
want
there?
if you over here if you come over here to be crowd.
But your daughter supposed to be there. And
Well,
the next,
she not there.
and the next thing too. Who named Puppy Dan?
Puppy Dan, which Puppy Dan?
Who named Phoebe?
Who name Tibby? No, you name Tibby.
Who named Phoebe?
Tibby your name, a Tibby your name. Anybody can make mistake with your name. I don't know name Phoebe, I know you feel your name. What your name?
Who named Puppy Dan?
I don't know.
Me a talk to you on the phone like you know business with what me a say. I better say if I didn't meet you on the phone, you would have a problem.
Tibby, my phone have nothing to do with you. Oh, you make one wally pa drama and wally pa scene out and nothing for brother. Calm down yourself, man. You're going too much.
Yeah, just show me love you, know. You know, say I show me love you, know.
So you want up your pressure?
Me love you, I mean, I like how your baby father come check every minute.
Tibby, you're jealous, bad
so
man.
you don't know
come
that
down
be.
now, too, man. Come down now, brother.
You
You
don't
don't
know
need
so-
fear go on, so.
So you don't know say me love you, be.
Yeah, but you don't need to get jealous and go
Where
on.
that
So
are
let's
they?
go on so far. My daughter gone over her father and she could have soon come here now.
So come
Where you look for Tibby?
a long time, you don't get no, you know, be thirsty, you know.
I want some water to drink.
No! Me don't want no water for drink.
You want juice?
This me pipe down there so thirsty for that.
Yeah, pipe, Tibby. Pipe.
Big. Now we do something for your daughter come back now.
Can't go on, so.
Lock that door.
What do you do? I love so Tibby. Because sit down and hold on your head bout Chan. You know something I like your style. I see me yesterday. You go over your father yard, your worthless pooper yard. Go carry me life story and what go on my yard over there. Go in a chattings with him and palm my name over there.
You just not get the drift, don't you?
What kind of drift?
Mommy, listen. Don't call daddy worthless and not
Me
call.
worthless. I mean, why you take up my business out of my yard, carry go over in yard.
Mommy, I know say me care your business over in yard, you know. Me just a daddy alone me can talk to and bear in mind. Daddy is already my father and already your ex-baby father. Bear in mind him I go always there, so no matter how much man come here so I always him. Alright, yeah, that one me go down the road go tell somebody say if you come talk to your boy your lifestyle. No most my father.
Me no want you go over there go call up my name to your father.
Mommy, but I right way if you do it, I me keep on I tell us.
The right way for do what? I food life or my life? Are your father life? Are your life?
No, no, feel we life, but it affect it 2 weeks. If me affect him, affect too.
So how come it affect him?
Because me affect me and daughter, obviously, mommy.
When you were little, what your father used to do couldn't affect you. Now you big, I want me do alone and affect you.
Mommy, you can't mix the past tense with the present. Me tell her that yesterday.
Well, me not get over it yet. Me can't make
When
anything
daddy
me feel
used
like
to
mix.
do, me never have the knowledge for know say daddy used to do. Now me have the knowledge you are do, me a tell her say you're wrong of what you're doing. Respect me when me love you respectfully. If me never love you more, I tell her say you're wrong, bro.
Stop your mouth. Me don't want to hear nothing. You know what I'm to? When you go on like you don't want to run my life in here too, you know. And oi, you see time where you take go over there, go tell your father my business over here. Where you not go on over there, go live with him.
Mommy, alright, make this. I want one room we live in. You think it's fair enough for you live certain lifestyle and me live in a one room. My room where daddy start could have did done, you know. But you choose other way.
What kind of other way?
You choose the opposite way and now go the positive way.
Not tell me that. Not tell me what to do, when to do and how to do what me I do. You see?
Alright.
Me know why you tell me what to do. Me a woman in your soul. Me decide when me want to do, when me want to do it.
Alright. But look on the room where daddy start. Daddy started in a finish now. You could have more and done the room. Sometimes me all want to change my clothes and me don't know who will go pop up on me. Because they're there with he, she and the old lady. No.
Is she an old lady? When?
No. If you think me I try to live your life or me and my father try to steer your life in a way where you don't want to steer away and try to live in your shadow, you're wrong. Mommy, if you truth, I go get to you, me I go always tell you.
You turn counselor now, you turn counselor. You turn guidance counselor. Me no want you tell me how to live my life. You and your father can't tell me how to live my life. For matter of fact, come Come out of my face, come out of my sight, come out of my vision.
Mommy,
You and your father can't run my life. If you think you go to and start run my life, you and your father, go on over there, go live.
Mommy, alright, again. Me I go tell you again, respectfully. Me respect you. If you think me and daddy are trying to live your life for you, we always are going to tell you the truth. Because you can't rank on every angle and one right. I don't say it work, man.
Come out and go on, man. You can't tell me what to do.
Morning.
See, same thing when me a talk about. See, same thing. Every day I want next man. Every day.
Babes. Hey, look, sir. What going on with you and your daughter? Because my pass and me tell her good morning and she kiss her teeth off for me.
Man, I know a little argument.
About what?
She want to tell me how to live my life and want to have fear her own way.
But she not supposed to tell her that. Are you birth her or she birth you? What she a tell her that for? I tell her about the little girl nowadays. Babes, you know what that girl eh? She face to do, you have a face to that. I come over here one day and I come check pan, you know. When I tell me, say, you go your sleep over your friend, you know. We're sick, you know. I come and ask you, you know, be. And you know, say, girl chat to me very, you know, say, girl slam all the door in my face.
What?
Me say, yo, I never feel so shame from my body. Slam me door and kissing teeth and say, me go on me hard and very, but oh, me not there and me not want to tell my mother life and she,
She tell you that?
She tell her not true. She tell her say she no want be
Anyway,
stepfather. Not
no
true.
stress about that. Me will talk to my daughter about it.
Yeah, my daughter moved to fierce, you know. But anyway, still, let go that. Love you, same way, you know, be and it's that cool.
You know, say other day you go on with yourself.
Mm-hmm.
You go on with yourself other day. I always catch up with your play through because I like one room I shared my daughter, you know. But other day you give me hot and spicy. I was so.
Yeah, man.
How about you take?
The one day was perfect, man. Cause remember, say your daughter live gone, you know. So I never did look out for she come back. But next time when your daughter there, man, we can go out the door, you know. You don't like do it out the door.
You know what happened to you? Let me tell you what happened to you. You're too spontaneous. Like, you feel like, say, you feel do the things them and you don't feel care what you do when you do what you do.
Be relax, man.
You're too adventurous,
No,
man.
Be, you don't know that.
Yo, from when this a girl a left me hard and tell me say I come back and check me. He knows me meeting a one little incident and he even come back over yard. Yo, me not like how she a move like she have somebody else, you know. Me tell her if me alone fi have the body there, you know. Me alone fi have the body there. The body there she have nice, you know. The body there. Tell her if you come check me out, he knows me can't to help myself over me hard. I me have to get up and bathe this morning. I mean, you want to bathe, you know, because time cold. A cold front now.
Right now, I'm stressed out, you know. Every time I tell mommy say she do something wrong, she refuse. Forget what me I say. And everything in place.
And far me I walk
see
from
all
you
the sun
know,
all I get.
Fool.
They don't pop it on that. You see same thing
How
when me
far
I
me I
talk.
come from you? Just to come see her. So me love her. No?
Mommy. Mommy.
Sean, what do you?
Mommy, my belly hurt me. Mommy, my belly.
What do you mean your belly hurt you?
Mommy, more use the bathroom. My belly hurt me.
So Sean, if you want to use the bathroom, go and use the bathroom.
Mommy, I can't use the bathroom because your boyfriend there. No.
Oh, B, no disrespect.
Oh God.
But my daughter want to use the bathroom right now. I'm not get to put her in the door yet. As I can see, she needs to go use the bathroom. So I go ask you for excuse.
Oh God,
for a minute.
Be, me understand, you know. But that's when me I come back over here next time. I'm going to bring a bathroom door for your bathroom.
Yeah, bring it.
Yeah, because I know how you finna have a bathroom door.
They should have bought it long time already. I'm going to tell you come over here and say one door needed. One door needed there.
Call me later or text me if anything.
Yeah, I will link you.
Alright.
Yeah, remember if you bring the door when you come. I don't need it.
Oh
Sean,
God.
go and go use the bathroom, Sean.
Girl, you stress me out for when you know youth. Sean no star youth. That girl don't even know what I do to me youth. One bug of problem every day. You deal with me, General.
I pray, Father.
Yo, big a light and a lighter. Boy.
See you, Father. Father,
Yo.
am I a lighter now? I know
Oh,
where I got you, Father.
sorry, bro. Cause right now,
Over your conversation, I hear you say one woman has stressed you out, but I same thing me I got show to you because I tell us right now, my woman knows me meeting a one incident and me hardly can walk on my foot. And the girl come check me one time and help me out. And knowing can't come back you. Right now she me a go link.
But right now my woman has stressed me, bro. Me didn't even know you know, so I'm not supposed to tell her my business. But me have a woman there, bro. Tell me if I'm wrong, I'm right. Me have a woman, me care for her, me wash for her, me cook for her, but she not show me like she love me, she not give me that energy there. So what you would I do?
Why?
Tell
Who
me
feels
first,
it knows it.
Tell me if it's because I love her same way. No matter how long she a treat me.
Why? I just
And
you have to make a decision. You see me who feels it knows it. Big up yourself here.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, father.
Yo, bro.
Yo.
A car accident a meeting,
No, bro, you know, say a bite door, one dog run out for me door, youth.
Hey, so who wrong? You are a dog?
Why, a dog wrong, you know. But me I tell you, say dog run gone, youth. Can't find him.
Hey, alright, big up yourself.
Ah, father.
Yo, them people are not easy, you know. Them just lego them dog on the road, brother. And them dog even have license, insurance, papers, nothing. See dog lick down the man there. Dog not have license, not insure. The dog no license, not insure, you know. And the dog lick down the man. The dog not have no insurance for him. Man can't get, man can't get nothing at all out of the dog, you know. Boy, insult though.
Jesus, my belly, me weak.
Sean. Sean. You want number 1 or 2?
Wolande, man. Wolande, man. You rush my belly too fast. Mommy, Jesus.
Wow.
You make my belly a hot me.
What, Sean?
Mommy. Jesus. Why? Mommy, you see all in my liar, you make me a tell her give me belly ache. Mommy, me belly. Me don't know myself right now, me weak.
What happened, Sean?
Weak. Mommy, the my liar no fit me, mommy, your lifestyle.
What kind of lie? What kind of lie? What happened?
You see the lifestyle with me, I tell you boy, no good, no healthy.
Sean, if you want to use the bathroom, go and go use the bathroom, girl.
At this point, I don't really bathroom want use your lifestyle, make more use the bathroom. My belly weak. My belly weaky.
Yes, so what happened? What happened?
Outer door.
What do outer door? Outer door, put on outer door. What do outer door?
Jesus, mommy. Puppy Dana come.
Puppy Dana.
Chelsea!
You see it?
Chelsea!
You don't like me at
Puppy Dana, outer door.
Ima come.
Jesus Christ. Yes, Puppy Dana.
Sean,
What happened, Puppy Dana?
why when you see me here run, what happened?
No, sir. Me see a piece of belly here can take me forward, so me did just come over while I come.
Oh, can I feel like I something going on? You good?
Yeah, man, I'm a good man.
Alright, my stepdaughter. Big up yourself here.
Yeah.
Babes, you have to make, when I come back over here next time, I buy one door put us a car. I like when I can over here, my stepdaughter want to use the bathroom, the door can lock and she do, she do.
Yeah.
So remind me to get a door when I come over here next time.
Alright, come sit down. Me here you call me, you know, but me never sure. Come man, come here you call me for true, you know, but by the time me reach out on the front test of it.
Babes, listen to me say right
You
now.
reach up already.
Right now, me cross, hungry, miserable. Me not like how you deal with me, you know.
How me I deal with you? Sit down.
What you mean sit down? You know say me alone can over me yard and help myself. You know say me I go want help.
Yeah.
You left and you tell me say you go check on your daughter and make sure say she good and check me back. Me over there, you want to see me have to strain myself with the bath pan of water carry go in the bathroom to go bathe.
Puppy Dan, calm down, she no feel good. Me I try spend some time Shan cause she no feel good. She out the door a while ago good. She just go out the door. And I run Missy Shan I run come back in her house. She want use the bathroom.
Oh, sorry about
She
that,
no
babes.
feel good.
Sorry
You know what it's
about that,
normally when
man.
I come here, she no break like that. She don't have no mood, she no feel good.
You know, so me see it for true, cause when me a forward, me see she run come in and me feel like something wrong, you know. And when me come here a while ago, naturally she da come run, come hug me and say, stepfather and something. Me see say she not too alright for you, you know.
feel
Sorry for your judge me. That's enough for judge a book by its cover, you know.
Yeah, alright man, don't worry about it. You couldn't know, because
Yeah,
me never tell
I
you.
just miss you, cause me over them and I tell her say, they want you come link me man for drop it like he had pan in 1 foot here.
You can't drop it like you had on your foot. B, you got a doctor, you meeting a one accident. And you got a doctor and doctor tell you say, you have to abstain from sex right now because you need rest.
Babe, doctor no know everything. Me see one doctor crash already and broke in hand. Now when he go one other doctor, the other doctor tell that the doctor they say, you know if you have no sex if you rest. And him sex same way, so what about me?
How
Me a
you know
human
say
too, you know.
doctor go and go have sex, puppy
I
dog?
tell you, come know him good. He tell me saying do it.
No bother with that. You can't have no sex right now. You have to get rest. Look at your foot swell.
Be right now, you know, and a far me I walk from you know, a 4.
Yeah, and you want to go have sex by your foot and broke out your knee. Me no want nothing do you, you know.
I
Me no want
know.
nothing do you. Because something fear happen to you when you get stressed.
Babe, I'm really sorry about that, man. As me I say, right now, you talk about you that stress. You know, say you stress me out though. A while ago, me I come up in a lane a while ago, you know. Me see one youth, you know. And the youth ask me for a lighter. And you know why biggest thing too? The youth nearly grade me lighter, you know. One blown and he mag and tall and he hair plat up. I don't know him. I don't know if you know him from about the area. The youth nearly grade me lighter and the youth all tell me, say, right now, ain't woman a stress him out and me I tell him, say, boy, me understand me I go through, you know. Cause same thing me I go through too. Same thing.
Some man fi stress sometimes. Some man fi stress out some man sometimes they not no sense.
B, and a me attack.
No.
Oh, I hear me attack.
Me no
Or
know
overall.
me say some man not no style, some man not no sense, or sometimes woman stress them out.
Baby.
You don't know how make him a stress or why him a stress over. You know why you stress over?
No, you have to me no fit to hackle up your foot, but come here hackle up your body for me.
And then hot up your foot.
What you that today?
She know what to do, man. Go easy for now, man. Cause me not even know if she know what to do and if gone over him father.
Babe, as you talk about going over your father, you and your father no in nothing.
Me and him no nothing. Look how long me and Sean father left.
Oh, cause me like how your great daughter still, you know. Me like how she not take up no man pan her head. She a grow right. And me like how you behave yourself and keep one man, which is me. And you know no money, you know one bag of man. I show your daughter, you do the right thing and make she grow the right way. Me like how you keep one man like a me, a one man to your goodie that a puppy. Me like that. But babe, you are going to know, it's like how we can't do nothing, which, and then really that me come over here for still, you know, but me come over here for that also. Me come for look for you, but sure we can't do one bag of thing, and you know your daughter there, I don't want to take over her space. So me I go make one bike taxi carry me over the hardware, me I go check to see if me can get the door. So me check you later or tomorrow.
Yeah, cause we want,
So
we want
just
to do
keep it good safe for me. Lock up it with padlock and me have a key for it. Boom! Lock you with the padlock. The key in my pocket. Later, yeah, baby.
Alright, come.
I remember if anything, you can squeeze you out, go and give me peace later, you give me peace.
Come on, man. You not tap till you make your foot swell up and you have to go back a doctor again.
Why be a sex alone to make it swell up?
No.
Me can't go without you, no, me love it.
Sex not to make your foot swell up.
Babe, go easy now, man. Behave
Yeah, go
yourself
easy,
now.
man.
Later, here.
Yeah, go on and tell me when you reach over.
Alright. I remember if you check me and make me check you again.
Alright. Later me come check you.
Yeah, babe.
That was a close one. Lord God, although Shana burn me out and a cuss me. Say no like your life where me a live. I'm glad for you, you know. Cause if I never fish on it, 2 of them would have woke up. Lord God.
Daddy, right now. Daddy, listen to me now, man. Fed up, you know, Daddy, me fed up, me tired, me fed up, and me tired, me fed up, and me tired.
Sean. What happened?
Daddy, this I get from bad too. Daddy,
I hear your mother again.
Daddy, right now, I'm weak, you know. Listen, you know, I'm weak right now, you know. Daddy, me head a hot, me weak, me tired, mommy.
Why problem again with you and your mother?
Daddy, problem over here. Problem. This bigger than me and you and the world. Daddy.
Calm down and talk to me now.
Alright,
What
Daddy. Me and her then I was talk about the same local situation.
your mother, yeah.
She start cussing again. So by the time if I walk up, me see the youth named Tibby.
Phoebe. Phoebe or Tibby.
Phoebe, Slibby.
Okay,
I
alright.
don't know when,
Yes,
man,
yes.
But he named something.
Yeah.
Him come. Me come out. Me tell her, I say, Mommy, me nah do this video no more.
My daughter.
Daddy, trouble. Daddy, enough time. Me over yard and more put on me brassiere more relax even. Just relax. And me can't do it because mommy and him man them all up in my privacy. Daddy look from when you start the house and they depend finishing the door. Just one middle door. You can't afford a middle door, $15,000 for a middle door.
So what you want to tell me, say from me build up the place and the next room for finish when me start the room. You know, so that's one of the reasons why me start the room for you because more you have your own privacy.
Daddy,
and you want to tell me say your mother can't put on the middle door?
Daddy, privacy a beer man.
So what go on now? Make you run come away.
Alright. You don't know what say. Daddy, me say I'll belly eat me a kitchen. You don't know what say. Me sit down out a gate. Before, you know, me go out a gate. Me left him and Tibby around there.
Phoebe or whatever your name.
Whatever we want. When you look now, Daddy, no puppy down doesn't come.
So hold on, the puppy down and Phoebe now you see him somebody?
Oh, Jesus, Daddy and I get here two different somebody.
Jesus.
In full of man, in full of... Daddy, Jesus. Daddy, oh God. Daddy, your daughter tired. Me tired.
So what go on with Phoebe, puppy down? What go on with puppy down?
Daddy, mommy, again with that now. Next story, 10 story now one. Mommy make me have to tell lie. My told me now one perfect liar.
What kind of lie you tell for your mother?
Me have to tell him say a bathroom more use and I have to tell fi man them get apart fi disappear from one another so they know buck up now.
So hold on man. Hold on. So you are trying to tell me, sir, because you tell me say you left Phoebe around here. And because the argument with your mother you come out from the front. Same time you see puppy down come. You understand? So true you see puppy down come, you know you don't want the banger in the house to run grow and go tell him lie say your belly hurt you. Because you don't want the two of them buck up.
So
you want me to say now, my daughter, and your mother say every minute you run come over here come tell me your business. And because you are telling me truth, he say if you left your yard.
Well, yes, he tell me that again, so me fi pack up.
Stand up, my daughter.
He said me fi pack up and come on.
This is the last time me I go chat about you and your mother business. You hear what me I say now?
Me and him business.
No, listen, just please, my daughter, listen what me I say now. You're a big girl and I understand so you live at your mother yard. But the yard also where you live, and my yard where me left give your mother because me have a daughter with your mother that are you. So you see your mother now, you see lifestyle where you go live. Me know you don't like it. But here one now, sometimes how much house me have what you say, you know? So sometimes as being an 18-year-old child, you can't take the black house yourself, you know. Build a gate round and come live and left your mother within stress. Because if you go live over you...
Daddy, I'm fear if you start for me I live mommy gate and him and him.
Me nah left you give me a try to make you can go through your education and pass the subject them where you not have to stress out. Because by any idea your mother life I go mash up your life because you not change.
So you mean like them style, yeah?
So the only thing me can tell you, cause me no, you know, look good for me and your mother there, left over all years and all. And me I look like me and mine in business. So the only thing me can tell you, my child, if you want to come build back and set your thing, you see me? And just left over just to give me do what you want to do.
Even if me move out, it's still stinker road and me still have to walk and pass people.
But you know, me no want you sit down and brace for your mother life. Me know say you no look good, cause you no look good for me. And you no look good for you, cause it stink at one place. If you go in the street, you smell it. You need to have to see it, smell it.
Daddy, me no want mother catch no form of disease or like a...
Daughter, come and tell us something, child. Listen what me say now. More you listen what your father say.
Daddy, right
you see, sometime, alright, you're how much you know? You're 18, right? Me can't live your life, you don't. So if me, I do something wrong and you talk to me.
Daddy, I live my life for you because me want
yes,
you
me
proud.
daughter, about the good point where me and say, if your mother, if you talk to your mother in the wall and you try to dry him up, and he might dry you down, what you going to do all over your mother? Eh? You're not going to leave him in there. You're going to go in the wall with him.
Daddy, you know, say, mommy make me a question this right now. To call goodly him, live some certain life, make you have to live him.
Listen me. Me not going to carry down your mother. I done your mother already. You understand what me I say?
But you not carrying down for talking true.
But just listen what me I say. Me no want him to tell you bad things about me and me I tell you bad things about him. Me no work so
but
me
a
man.
But believe what I say.
No watch that, my child. One day me tell you what me need to tell you if me need to tell you. Although me no need to tell you.
Right,
that's why me no need to tell you.
It take too long because everything exposed now.
Just listen man. Just slow that no man. Live your life. Your mother now stop living life. Live for your life. You understand? One of them day the same house of vanity. You see the same house? Me bet you when you say one night 2 day or the 3 day them I go buck up in there. You see me one of them
Daddy, me no want in there no.
Eh?
Me no want in there no.
My child, me I go say it again. Me say if it has stress you and bother you, come over me yard and get the black room for yourself and me build a gate around there. I feel your yard. I work, me I go, me can't bother put your mother problem on my head. Me and him left all long. I one problem I want to put on for my head and I hear one. And you know, give me no problem. You get what me I say?
Yes, sir.
So me I go finish do the work so you can't just go down here till me come and go lie down and get stress off of your head. You understand? Alright. I go and charge a man 100,000 now.
Every day this woman just a man. No, me glad say me a got my father. No, me glad man. Them no know me glad. Mommy, I bet say she look into herself now. Alright. Watch her see. Every day I see.
Sean, evening, where your mother there?
Me no know.
I'm for put the door.
Anywhere you want put it, put it.
And where your best place I think we put it?
I don't know.
Alright, me I'll lean up around so. So you don't know what time my mother forward?
I don't know nothing, sir. No, me no know.
And we are go laundry.
Yeah, man.
Jesus Christ. You see your love cost? Eh? All the work when me I put in me all na the woman she a do the same thing for me, you know. Me crash and me have to walk by me 6 foot to the door. Eh? You see your love strong? Jesus Christ, man, and the doctor say me no fi press on my foot. Evelyn.
Good evening. I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing.
Sean. How old is man?
I don't know nothing.
And your boyfriend?
Thing.
So you don't know nothing. So when you
Because
come in
me
and
no
sit
know.
down and your boyfriend?
I know my boyfriend at all.
Sean! My daughter! Sean,
Yes.
you know you hear me I call you? Where you got bag?
No, that good man.
Sean,
Anyways,
where you got bag?
that good. Anyways, I have a matter to take care of. Leave me a leave. And anyways, mommy, it was nice living with you. And your door then come.
What you mean me door them come?
Mommy, me say your 2 door then come and then inside. As a matter of fact, me I go over me father go stay.
Me go now go see why you come tell me
Yeah,
about
go
door.
look boy your business yourself.
Go see why I come talk about.
Yes. Bring your door, come.
You guys have made it to the end of this movie. You have just done watch Unstable Babymother. You don't like it? Comment and tell you if you don't like it. Tell you what good and what bad. People want to know if you comment and make we know. So you see when we read the comment, we can know say alright, the next time in that movie we shall do better. Or the next time that must change up. So anytime I no comment people, nobody feel like we take it offensive. Because remember, I uno have fun, so we have to put out the uno like. You understand? And make uno be pleased. So, as I say, thank you for watching the movie at Wrld TV. Big up on yourself. Make sure so you always subscribe. And big up my place, Red Ground, Whitehall. You understand? The whole of Namprel Road, the whole of Sheffield, the whole of Little London, the whole of Savlamar, the whole of Grange, the whole of Froome, you understand? The whole of Burn Savannah. Big up all our fans in this. Big up the whole of Westmoreland. You understand? Big up Town. You understand? Portmore. Portland, Spanish Town, you understand? Whole over CLM, big up on yourself, Mobile side. So people may know the most I wonder what go on with me. But I just want to look a small incident, you understand? While I do a bike taxi thing, one dog run out for me and we drop. But you know, just kind of look a minor thing. God is the greatest. We have life, no broken leg, nothing.
So we there same way I put out the work for the same way. All in me and a pain same way them I think we there put out the work for. Oh no. So big up on yourself. Continue watch True World TV. Out.